everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. So this one is requested by one of my subscribers. So the title of this song is called 500. I don't know how to pronounce it. I just put it there. So the singer is Brooke. Okay, let's start. Alright, so this like 8/8, but it's quick 8/8. Alright, 8 of 8. So it goes like this. So we start on 1, 2, 3, 4. You walk left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we start. Go 1, 2, hit 3, 4. So you're gonna use 3, release on 4, head 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. Bye bye, Siri. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Lift on 8. One more time. We go from the first 8. 6, 7. After walk 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Lift on 8. Continue. 8. You're gonna go step left. 2. Stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hug yourself on 8. Okay, so from here 6, 7. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, let's go on. What's that? So noisy. 7, 8. Release on 1, 2, 3, 4. Move back on 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. So 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's start from the beginning first. So 5, 6, 7, including the walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. Okay, I messed up a bit on the count. Next, continue. You gotta go down on 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, and 7. Lift on 8. That's simple. So move back for the last time. 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3. Crown. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's continue. Push on 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that 2 8. Only have 15 minutes. It's okay. 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, and 7, 8. Push 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost. Let's go on. From here, chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. One more time. So 7, 8. Chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's finish it. 7, 8 away. 1, 2. This is 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause on 1. Remember the countings. So 6, 7, 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Pause on 1. Last 8. So 1, 2, hips 3 and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Until there. It's finished. So let's clarify first. We go from 6, 7, 8 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pause 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Good job! Let's start from the beginning. All of it. We do it slowly and slow. Okay? Alright? Let's try. Including the walk. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Lift. 1, stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hug. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross. 5, 6, 7. Lift. Push the body. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow. 6, 7. Last 2. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. And that's a count. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe. Here's hiding. Share, comments on our video. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.